In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Yahoo Mail on iPhone. So first, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in, scroll down and tap on Apps, which lists all your installed apps and their settings. Next, scroll down a bit more and tap on Mail. This will open all the email settings for your device. At the very top, tap on Mail Accounts to see the list of accounts currently set up on your iPhone. Now tap on Add Account. You'll see a list of email providers. Tap on Yahoo to start adding your Yahoo Mail account. Type in your Yahoo email address and follow the on-screen instructions to sign in and verify your account. Once added, your Yahoo Mail will sync with the Mail app, so you can check, send and manage your emails directly from your iPhone without opening a browser. You can also customize notifications, signature and other preferences in the Mail settings. And that's it. Open Settings, tap Apps, Mail Accounts, Add Account, choose Yahoo, and sign in with your email. So that's how you set up Yahoo Mail on your iPhone.